What would we have in a Trump court? Who knows? I think we know for sure, I could say with confidence, I don't know who Hillary Clinton would appoint, but I can say with confidence the profile or the kind of constitutional approach she would want. Trump, I'm not so sure. He's offered a list, and his list is populated with people who would take a more Scalia-esque approach to the Constitution. Who knows if he would choose from that list or not? He's obviously not bound to do so. I think it would be maybe more of a mixed bag. I think maybe Trump would appoint some that were more in the mold of Scalia, maybe some more in the mold of Kennedy. Who knows? I think abortion, I think people phrase the abortion question when they think about the Supreme Court as, is Roe versus Wade going to be overruled? Roe versus Wade actually isn't the law. It was superseded by Casey versus Planned Parenthood. But we've had 30 plus years of a court that did take, on the whole, a more conservative approach to the judicial role, and Roe versus Wade, Casey versus Pennsylvania, left Roe largely intact, reinstated a new test, but it's still there. I don't think that abortion or the right to abortion would change.
Do you think some of the restrictions might change?
I think some of the restrictions would change. I think that's what we just saw last term in the case out of Texas. States, after the Kermit Gosnell affair and all of that, states have imposed regulations on abortion clinics, and I think the question is how much freedom the court is willing to let states have in regulating abortion. I think the question of, the court has held that in some circumstances, states can render partial birth abortion illegal, very late-term abortions. I think that's the kind of thing that would change. I don't think the core case, the Roe's core holding that women have a right to an abortion, I don't think that would change. But I think the question of whether people can get very late-term abortions, how many restrictions can be put on clinics, I think that would change.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you like this video, check out these other videos from USA Today to stay up to date with all the latest news.